How to fix Park Assist Unavailable Tesla. So, what is Park Assist? Park Assist is the name of Tesla software that uses the vehicle's onboard cameras to provide drivers with visual and audible warnings and estimate distance information when objects are detected in close proximity. So, what does Park Assist Unavailable mean? If you get this message, you won't see the estimated distance between your Tesla and nearby objects as usual. You'll also won't be able to use the soft park or summon features. This is because the software is not receiving the information needed to generate distance estimation. So, what are the common causes of this? First would be rain, snow, or dirt is blocking the cameras or sensors. It's a temporary software glitch that will resolve on its own or can be fixed by restarting the vehicle, or wiring to one or more of the sensors has been damaged. If you're driving in the rain or snow, it's almost always the reason the error pops up. If the weather improves and the message does not go away, you'll know it's one of the other causes. So to fix this, first you need to clean your car. Second, reset the vehicle software. And then third is to check for software update. And that is how to fix Park Assist Unavailable Tesla.